Hey everybody, welcome back. Happy New Year to you all. Hope you all had a good Christmas and a good start to the new year. I'm off out on a camp to Wales. We're going here. Can't pronounce it. Crap at pronouncing Welsh names. So I'm off out with Dave Outdoors and Andy from Got to Get Outdoors. I'll put some links in the description below to their channels for you. Hoping to start the new year with a bang. I'm going to be going out for a hike, so I'm going to have a car camp and a place that Dave and Andy have been before. I haven't been there, but the views are supposed to be spectacular. It was raining by me, but it seems to have gone a bit clear by now, so hopefully we'll have a nice day, no rain. It won't be Dave, so more likely it might be rain. Alex, Jacob, Seb, little Tesla. Now you like your Teslas. Here it is, look. This is camp for tonight. Andy and Dave already. And little views, are they? Right, I'm going to pitch up and have a chat with these pair. Just want to say a massive thank you to FJ Bottle for these 3 bottles and the cases that go with them. And these are all thermal bottles. That one is a push top, fast flowing. That one is a thermal flask which keeps your hot drinks for 12 hours and cold drinks for 24 hours. And this one is your straw bottle. So again, massive thank you to FJ Bottle for these bottles. Thank you so much. Right, I just want to show you this product I've been given by Lomo Water Sports. This is a little dry sack that you can attach to your belt. It's perfect to fit your phone or your keys or any snacks or anything like that you want to keep dry, especially if you're on a paddleboard and you've got something that you can attach the bag to. Keep your keys dry so you can not worry about your car getting broken into or anything like that. It's made with very sturdy material and is very, very thick. So the size of it is about the size of my hand, and once it's rolled down, it's about the size of that. Using this on many hikes and camps and when I'm out on the paddleboard. A massive thank you to Lomo Water Sports for giving me this product. There is links in the description below to their website and also to their Instagram page. So again, massive thank you to Lomo Water Sports. Right then, Davey boy is wrecking the van. Dave's getting the tea on tonight. We've got chicken stir fry with peppers and noodles, and I think that's it, isn't it, mate?
I think so, mate. Yeah.
And then for pudding, we will be having apple pie and custard, which I've got to go and get out the car. But yeah, we've been sat here having a drink and having a good catch up.
Sorry, mate.
And no, right, bud. Having a good catch up, and Adam wondering where I turned up. So I've had a selfie with him because Dave said I should.
Did I?
So yeah, Sid wondering where. He's a top bloke. He's just up the road from us here. So I went to have a chat with him. And like I say, we're just literally just talking crap all night, really. But tea is going to be looking good, and Dave's just completely tidied everything up here.
He's going to be looking good, let's hope.
Yeah, well, I'll bring you back once it's cooked. Look at that, meal made for a king by a jester. Right everyone, it's time to hit the sack. Sorry I've not done much filming, but just been having a good catch up with Dave and Andy. I haven't seen them for a while. I'm just going to put a film on the tablet and then going to hit the hay. So I'll see you lot in the morning. That's us done. Here's the view in the daytime. Cracking little spot. So I've got two motorhomes here. Dave and Andy's van and my car. But yeah, looks like the rain clouds are just about to come over. So we are now heading back home. So I just want to say a massive thanks to Dave.
You're very welcome.
And a massive thanks to Andy as well.
Nice to see you again.
Yeah, you say that. Anyway.
That's true.
Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.